Let's get started. First, launch Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click on Steam. Then choose Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, install it and make sure your Steam client is fully up to date before moving forward. Next, click Steam again in the top left menu and open Settings. From the left panel, select Downloads. Then, scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Click on it. A warning message will appear telling you that you'll be logged out of Steam. Confirm the action. Steam will now clear the cache and sign you out automatically. Once this process is complete, close Steam if it doesn't exit on its own. Now open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig flush DNS. After that completes, type the next command and press Enter. Netch winsock reset. These commands will refresh your network configuration and help fix potential connectivity issues. Finally, restart your computer. Once Windows loads again, open Steam and sign back into your account. Steam should now connect normally without showing the No Internet Connection error.